In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll contacts in a sequence in HubSpot. We'll go from your HubSpot home screen to getting a contact into a simple email sequence so you can automate timely outreach and free up your day. Start on the HubSpot homepage. From here, open the main navigation, go to CRM, and click Contacts. This is the heart of your database. It's where every person record lives, along with life cycle stage, last activity, team ownership, and past communications. In short, it's your control center for who you're reaching out to, what you've said, and what should happen next. On the Contacts view, locate the person you want to enroll. Use the search bar or filters to narrow the list. Then click the checkbox next to the specific contact. Selecting via the checkbox keeps you in the list view and makes it easy to enroll one person, or several at once, without opening each record. Quick tip: make sure the contact has a valid email and the right communication permissions so your messages actually send. With the contact selected, look along the top toolbar for Enroll in Sequence and click it. This opens the sequence picker, where you'll choose the outreach you want to run. Sequences are a series of scheduled emails and optional follow-up tasks that automatically stop when the contact replies or books a meeting. They're perfect for consistent, polite follow-up without manual reminders. For this example, select an email sequence. Review the steps inside it so you know what will be sent and when. Personalize the templates with tokens like first name or company, and consider adding a line or two of relevant context so the message feels human. While you're here, check details like the sender, subject lines, and delays between steps. You can also fine-tune sending windows, such as business hours and weekdays, to match your audience's time zone and improve deliverability. When everything looks right, click Start Sequence. HubSpot will queue the first email and handle the timing for the rest. You can monitor progress from the contact record or from the Sequences tool, and if someone replies, the sequence stops automatically so you can jump into a real conversation. If you need to pause or unenroll, you can do that at any time without affecting other contacts. And that's it. Enrolling a contact into a sequence in HubSpot, from finding the right person to launching thoughtful, automated follow-ups. If this walkthrough helped streamline your outreach, subscribe for more.